Hi dear students of class 8. Today we will continue the next part of the poem Macavity, the Mystery Cat. So here we are. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. Ginger means very much prompt, enthusiastic, right? Agile, not very lazy kind of, but agile, prompt, enthusiastic cat. He's very tall and thin. And you would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. And you would understand him if you see his eyes are sunken in, kind of drowned, submerged. वो अंदर side में है. And his brow is deeply lined. His eyebrow are deeply lined, means kind of thinking. That's why you can see the picture also. Here this deeply, not light, slightly, but deeply lined. You can find the eyebrow, the shape of eyebrow, the line of eyebrow with thought. You're thinking something. His head is highly domed. His head is like the dome, right? Dome means kind of round shape. Like there you will find the big building and the dome, right? Dome shaped building. So here his face is like the head is like also the clear dome, round shape and a kind of beaks in shape. His coat is dusty. His dress is dusty from neglect, means he didn't care about his coat. So dress is dusty. His whiskers are uncombed. Without, means he didn't comb properly. That's why uncombed, right? He sways his head from side to side. He sways his head from this side, that side, with movements like a snake. How? With the movements of a snake. And when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake. And when you think he's sleeping, no, he's actually awake, wide awake. He's actually awake. Macavity. There is no one like Macavity. For he is a fiend in feline shape. Fiend means devil in a feline. Feline means a cat shape. A monster of depravity. A monster, kind of giant of depravity. Means of moral corruption. He was morally corrupted, not good. And you may meet him in a by the street of the side of the street. May see him in the square means chalk, right, in the junction of the street. But when a crime discovered, then Macavity is not there. You will not find Macavity. So Macavity is a mystery cat, and hence the title is justified. That's all. Thank you. And with the working with the poem, with the first stanza and thing, is Macavity a cat really? If not, who can Macavity be? You have to answer. Complete the following sentence. A master criminal is one who, then Scotland is baffled because, and that's because Macavity. A cat, I am sure, would walk on a cloud without coming through. Jules Verne. Which law is Macavity breaking in the light of the comment above? Very easy answer. Then read the stanza 3, then describe the Macavity, or 2 or 3 sentences you want. Then false and true to essay. Having read the poem, try to guess whether the poet is fond of cats. If so, why does he call Macavity a fiend and a monster? And has the poet used exaggeration for special effect? Definitely. And find for some examples of it and read these lines out. Thank you. That's all. Thank you.